Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to retrieve your balance sheet from FreshBooks. So this is going to become particularly useful in case you need your balance sheet for your tax preparer or an accountant, just because it's tax season and tax season is right around the corner. So this video is going to be short and sweet, so make sure to follow it step by step all the way up until the end in order to learn how to retrieve your balance sheet on FreshBooks. So first, what we're going to do is log on to our FreshBooks account, which looks like this right here. Next, what you're going to do is scroll down to where it says accounting and go ahead and click on accounting. And then from here, you want to scroll down until you see accounting reports. And the first option under accounting reports is this balance sheet. So go ahead and click on balance sheet. And then from here, you're going to see a balance sheet of your business. So you're going to see the equity, the net income, total equity, and the liabilities. Now, you can actually filter this out by clicking on this gear icon on the upper right-hand side. So go ahead and click on that gear icon and then click on filters. So if you want to go ahead and customize your balance sheet, you can customize it to the end of last month or end of the quarter. A lot of different ways you could actually filter this. So we'll do end of last quarter. And there you have it. Now this balance sheet is for the end of last quarter. So we're going to do to today though, and then click on apply. But be sure that you filter it correctly, and then we're actually going to click on reset all and close this out. Once you have your balance sheet, you could actually export it for Excel, or you could actually print it out by clicking on this more actions button, or you could actually email it directly to your accountant or tax preparer. So that is in essence how to actually go ahead and retrieve your balance sheet on FreshBooks. If you know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.